This is what we've been waiting for. Our dreams when we had this vision of NeoCity with the county and the state was to develop an area for entrepreneurs, first in micro and nanotechnology and microchips, but it really expands out also to healthcare and defense and AI and so many different other areas. And so we're thrilled to have Plug and Play invest in our region.
Specifically, I think the ecosystem with Plug and Play and what you're doing worldwide fits with the innovation strategies that Synopsys has. So I think that's kind of the key for us to working together.
Plug and Play is helping with a company that means a lot to our progression in terms of power converters, which is Nitride Global. Using these technologies to create rebate programs might be an easy way to do it, because with utility rebate programs, that's where you can implement energy efficient technologies in a way where the savings of the technology actually pay for the technology itself. So with these technologies we're talking about here today, they have such incredible benefits in terms of reducing electrical losses.
Plug and Play is such an incredible name. It's pretty much synonymous with venture capital and with startup community. They've done such an incredible job and an amazing way of connecting corporate and industry, academia, and to startups, and it's been phenomenal.
So my name is Robert Sherman, CEO of Solo XR Corp. This is a great event. It's a beautiful day here, late October in Central Florida, low humidity, we're loving it. Great turnout, good representation across industry, and I must say this NeoCity campus is really something.
It was a fantastic day. We've heard from our startups, we've heard from our partners, we've heard from like a bunch of different stakeholders of their advancements over last year. And we are super excited to have our third batch officially kicking off in 2026. Thank you.